If your ECM multi-speed blower motor keeps ramping up and then down over and over, it's probably messing with your airflow and driving you nuts. So, here's the deal with fixing that kind of blower motor problem. First, make sure your system is completely closed up, like all vents and doors shut tight, because air pressure changes can mess with how the motor runs. Then, check if there's any blockage in your ducts. Dust, debris, or something stuck can totally throw off airflow. Next up, the control board could be sending weird signals that make the motor speed bounce around. You want to look for any signs of damage or corrosion on the module controlling the blower. Sometimes a simple reset or replacing a faulty control board can clear things up. Also, double check your thermostat settings because if it's glitching, it might send mixed commands. Finally, make sure your motor itself isn't overheating or worn out, since that can cause it to cycle oddly too. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ECM multi-speed blower motor problems is ignoring duct pressure issues, which can cause the motor to ramp up and down because it's struggling to push air properly. Fix that by sealing leaks and clearing blockages. Another common issue is overlooking the control board condition. If it's damaged, it sends fluctuating signals, so swapping it out usually helps. Lastly, people often forget to check the thermostat or system settings, which can confuse the motor's speed controls. Calibrating or replacing the thermostat can solve that. BigHomeProjects.com is super useful for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.